Hi everyone. So here I continue on the lesson. So the question is the kinetic energy of a moving body is related to mass and velocity in this equation. Okay, so assuming the mass remains constant. Okay, so this case it is like um, let me bring my pen. So see, I have E K just related to just varies directly with velocity squared. Okay, E k is so just a constant, multiple this, and what is the constant? The constant is this part. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so I don't need to for example even say 1 over 2m, or if I say it doesn't matter, that's just a constant number because it says mass remain constant. Okay, so that's that. Now it says what happen if I do have this. So let me just check here. So yes, it's here. Okay, so it says what happened. So what happened to the energy when the velocity is doubled? Okay, so I can say here. Okay, E is 1 over 2 m v squared. Therefore, I have E1 is 1 over 2 m v1 squared. Okay, why I don't change m1 and m2? Because it says m is constant. Okay, so now what happened when the velocity is doubled? Okay, so velocity 2 is 2 velocity 1. Yes, so now I continue. I want to see what happened to energy. So I start from energy 2. Energy 2 is, from the original formula, is 1 over 2 m v2 squared. And v2 is 2v1 squared. Remember, 2v1 inside the bracket because everything is squared. Okay, so it is 1 over 2 m 4v1 squared, which is 2 m v1 squared, which is 4 multiple 1 over 2 m v1 squared, which is 4 e1. Okay, so if v double, energy multiple by 4. Okay, this is what I did mathematically. So this is mathematically I did. Let's say you don't want to do it mathematically, doesn't matter, you can do this. E equal 1 over 2 m v squared. So you can say, okay, so this one double. Okay, so it means I have E 1 over 2 m 2v squared, and then this one goes by 4 because when I just simplify that, it will be 4. Okay, so that's just not mathematically. I just use it like, for example, with just inside the bracket I put 2, and then I show, okay, 2 squared is so it's 4, and then yes, of course, so maybe I can show it here because I need more room. Okay, so here E is 1 over 2 m 2v squared, which is 4 1 over 2 mv squared, and then you can say yes, it is 4e. And yes, I can say yes, when v is double, e energy is multiplied by 4. Okay, how about this one? It says what happened to the velocity when energy is multiplied by 25? Can you just say here, okay, so see here, E is 1 over 2 mv squared. So what do you think? Okay, if E is multiplied by 25, what do you think about E? Sorry, about V. 1 over 2 is 1 over 2, m is not changing. How about V? Remember, 25 is multiplied by E. Okay, so I have 25E, so it must be 25 1 over 2 mv squared, and then it is 1 over 2 m because it doesn't change, 25v squared, and then it is 1 over 2 m 5v squared. Oh, perfect. So if E multiplied by 25, energy multiplied by 25, see, I multiply by 25, I have to multiply both sides. This one doesn't change. Okay, so I have to put 25 here, and then I can do this. I can say, okay, V is multiplied by, or increased by, multiplied by 5. Okay, if you want to show it mathematically, you can. This is just the just ordinary way. And see how big I write. I don't have a space here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have E equal 1 over 2 mv2. Yes. Okay, so it is E2 equal 1 over 2 mv2 squared. Okay, so I have sorry, okay, I need E1. Yes, E1. E1. Then E2 is 25 E1. Okay, so it is 25. So it is E2 equal that also. Also, it is E2 1 over 2 mv2 squared. So I have V2 squared equal 2E2 divided by m, and I have V2 equal radical 2E2 over m. Okay, so now so am I right here? Yes, I started with E1, and then I say, okay, E2 is that, and I say, okay, E2 is also the other one, so I find V2, I find V2 with radical, and then I say, okay, so V2 is 2 multiple 25 E1, which is 2 multiple 25, 1 over 2 mv1 squared divided by m. Okay, can I cancel 2 and 2? Yes. Can I cancel m and m? So can I really zoom in and nothing happen? No. See, every time I have problem here. Okay, so this and m cancel, and then you see it's radical 25 v1 squared, which is 5 v1. So v2 is 5 v1. This is mathematically. Okay, but if you don't want to do mathematically, the first one that I did, and it's so big, is just also correct, and I accept it. The last question is a very good question, very, very good question, and I really want you to follow me and listen. Okay, S varies, see, I write as I read, varies with R, directly with R, S varies inversely with T. S the same, this the same, this means S varies R over T. Okay, now T varies directly with product of P and Q cubed. Okay, I cannot do that here, what I did here, because it's S and T. They are not like each other. One of them this, one of them this. Okay, oops. So 1 second. Okay, so I cannot just find anything here. So from just this, I can't. So what should I do? Okay. Okay, so S R over T. Okay, so I can say T is alpha, T alpha, um, T alpha R over S. Yes. Also T alpha PQ3. Okay. So can you follow this? From the beginning, I read S varies directly with R and inversely with this. Okay. Then I continue. So I continue, both of them are S. So I continue and find this. Okay, next step. T varies directly with product, means multiplication of P and Q of T. Yes. Then I cannot include anything from here because one of them is S, one of them is T. So from the first one, I include, when I have S equal K or R over T, see I have S equal K R over T, I can find T. What happened is T is K R over S. Yes? So I can, from here I can find this, and from here I can do this, and from here I can do this. Okay? Now I have both of them T. Both of them T. I have this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I can include T alpha or P Q3 over S. How do I know? So this is this one, and this is this one. So maybe I need another color here. Okay. And then I have this one. Okay, good. Now I have all of them included. Okay, so T is there, R is there, P is there, Q is there, S is, all of them. Okay, so now I can write the equation. So from here, okay, so T is K R P Q 3 over S. And read the question, everything is included. S is here, R is here, T is here, P is here, Q3 is here, Q cube. Now, if S is 5, R is 3, T is 2, so P is 4, Q is 2, find the value of K. Okay, yes, I can. Okay, so what is T? 2 equal. What is, okay, K? What is R? 3. What is P? 4. What is Q? 2 cubed. What is S? 5. Okay, so K is 10 divided by, so 12 multiple 8, which is 96, which is 5 over 48. If I don't say rounded, okay, keep it as exact. Fractions are exact. Radical are exact. Okay, so when I don't use my calculator, it's exact. So I just keep it this way. Okay, so now it says, what is R when is this, this? Okay, so yes, I know I can use K in order to find one of my unknown. Yes, because I have K. But also I want to show you I can find the formula here. Formula for two situations. Okay, T is KR. So T is KR PQ3 over S. Okay, so how can I make the two situation equation? Okay, so I can solve for K. TS is KRPQ3. Yes, okay. What is K? K is TS over RPQ3. Yes, okay. So K doesn't change. So now I can write the formula T1S1 over R1 P1Q. This is T2S2 over R2 P2Q32. Okay, that's for the situation. So now, for example, I can use in order to find the value of r when this. So I can use two situation here. I just have I'm not sure if I have two situation. Yes, I can use the other one as my situation. So S5 R3. So just S5. Okay, so I can write here. So for situation one, S is 5, R is 3, P is 4, T is 2, Q is 2. And for this situation, I have S is situation 2. So S is 3. So R, I don't know. P is 2. T is 1. Q is 1. Okay, so now I can find it. Am I right here? So let me see. 5, 3, 4, 2, 2. Yes, and okay, so the other one. So now I can substitute. So here, T1. Okay, so these are all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and these are all 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so S1, 5, and T1, so 2 multiple 5 divided by 3 multiple 4 multiple 2 cubed equal 1 T2 multiple 3 S2 R2 I'm looking for P2 2, and this is 1 cubed. Okay, so now I can find it. So I have 10 over 96. So yes, 10 over 96 is 3 over 2 R2. Okay, so now I have 2 R, so 20 R2. Now I have 20 R2, this, and 3 multiple 96. R2 is 3 multiple 96 divided by 20, which is, okay, let me see, which is, where is my, okay, so 3 multiple 96 divided by 20, oops, which is 14.4. 14.4. Okay, see, I could, when I find k, I could, here I could just use my original formula, substitute k, and find my answer. I didn't need to do this, the red one. Okay, so I wanted to show you if I have 1 million just variable. Okay, so they are all changing with each other, doesn't matter. When I find k, then I can find a formula for two situations. Okay, and then I can find the answer. So yes, I really appreciate your time you take to watch these videos. If you find any mistake, tell me. Just share your questions, and I will continue to topic 9. Thank you so much. Bye.